Imagine a world where your digital life isn't confined to a screen in your pocket, but is layered seamlessly over the physical world. We've been promised the next big thing in computing for years, and smart glasses are finally stepping into the spotlight. But how close are we actually to replacing our smartphones with a pair of stylish specs? From high-end mixed reality headsets to sleek, camera-equipped frames, the hardware is evolving faster than ever. We've moved from bulky prototypes to devices that almost look like regular eyewear. The utility is undeniable. Imagine hands-free navigation while you walk or real-time translation during a conversation. The goal is to provide a heads-up lifestyle, keeping your eyes on the world, not your palms. Current models are already great for music, calls, and basic notifications. But before we get too carried away, let's talk about reality. We're not quite there yet, and there are some serious challenges holding this technology back. First, the technical side. Think about it. You're trying to fit a lot of tech into a tiny space. A powerful processor, high-resolution displays, sensors, cameras, and a battery into something as light as regular glasses. That's incredibly difficult. Because of these constraints, battery life is still limited. Often, you're looking at around 4 to 6 hours of active use before needing a charge. Performance is also restricted compared to smartphones, which have much more thermal room to breathe. And many smart glasses still depend on your phone for heavy tasks. Your phone is still doing most of the heavy lifting. Now here's an even bigger issue: privacy. Smart glasses often include built-in cameras and microphones. That means people around you could potentially be recorded without even realizing it. This raises serious questions. How do we protect personal privacy in public spaces? Should there be visible indicators when recording is happening, and how do we prevent misuse? These are not just technical challenges, they're social and ethical ones. And they need to be solved before mass adoption can truly happen. It's about building trust. Despite these hurdles, the potential for a more connected, heads-up world remains enticing. We're at the beginning of a long road, watching technology catch up to our imagination. The hurdles are real, but so is the progress. One day, these glasses will just be glasses. Thanks for exploring the future with me. What do you think about the privacy trade-off? Let us know in the comments. Have you ever wondered if the phone in your pocket is about to become obsolete? For over a decade, smartphones have been our primary window to the digital world. But a new contender is rising: smart glasses. They're not just for sci-fi anymore. Imagine having your notifications, maps, and AI assistants right in your line of sight. This shift from handheld screens to head-mounted displays is closer than you think. Tech history shows us that every major platform eventually gives way to something more integrated. The biggest advantage? It's all about being hands-free and staying present in the moment. Whether you're following a recipe or navigating a new city, the data comes to you. With the recent explosion in AI, these glasses are becoming smarter every single day. Hardware is finally catching up to the vision, becoming lighter and more stylish. But there are still hurdles, like battery life and miniaturization, that need solving. And then there's the social aspect, making these devices look like normal glasses. Privacy remains a big question. How will people feel about cameras being everywhere? In the industrial world, this tech is already a game changer for training and repairs. But for the average consumer, the real mass market moment is just around the corner. It's about the ecosystem, how well these glasses talk to our existing apps and lives. So, are we looking at a replacement or a companion device for our phones? One stays in your pocket, the other is always ready to assist without the reach. Now that we understand the potential, let's look at where we actually stand today. The market is shifting from early adopters to a much broader audience. So, where are we right now? The smart glasses market is definitely growing. In fact, estimates suggest around 8.7 million units were shipped in 2025 alone, and that number is expected to rise rapidly in the coming years. But let's be clear, we are still in the early stages of this technology. Smart glasses are no longer just futuristic gadgets, they're evolving into powerful assistants. They are AI-driven assistants that could reshape how we interact with technology. Will they completely replace smartphones tomorrow? No. But will they reduce our dependence on phones, change how we access information, and eventually take over many of their functions? Very likely. We might soon live in a world where technology blends seamlessly into our vision. So, what do you think? Are you ready to trade your smartphone? Let me know in the comments.